pretty windy, but we can still do it. We can put this big boy together. So you can see we got a bunch of other Halloween decorations up. You know, there's that guy. There's that's nothing. That's totally not a dead body for sure. Oh, that was nothing. That was... All right, Dad's getting the X-Acto knife. So yeah, that's how tall they are. Yeah. Let's see. Illuminated chest and mouth. Oh, that's cool. Life size LCD eye blink. Eyes move around. Nice. Easy find. The past 2 years, my dad was struggling to find these in Home Depot because they were all out of stock. You know, a lot of people really like these. These were trending all over TikTok. Now he finally got one. Okay. Oh, instructions are right there. I think I'm gonna keep this box for a little fort. That's all. So. Oh, it's controlled by a mobile app? Oh, I guess this is the thing that it's supposed to stand on. All right, I'm gonna set up a little time lapse of us building it. Whoa. Look at him. He's amazing. Look at the eyes move. That's really impressive. Home Depot does what Spirit Halloween don't. That's amazing. Oh, he looks even better from where I'm standing. You know, got the hands, you know, just like he's reaching out. Nice. All right, so we got a bunch of other Halloween decorations up. We got this really nice projector. Whoa. Look at that. Let me turn the exposure up a bit. All right, well, that's the best I can do. Looks really nice. All right, so we just got a spotlight up and whoa. Looks even better now. Just, yeah. It's raining right now. Good thing he's waterproof, and his lights are supposed to last for years. That's amazing.